Hey guys, it's Tom here with MYT Solar in Pendleton, Oregon at Thompson RV here today. We just finished up an install on this 27 TRX toy hauler. Pretty epic off-grid system we've put in this thing. Being a toy hauler, you've got that onboard generator. You can bring the toys. You've got big tanks. With our system, we've got 990 amp hours of lithium battery, 2,000 watts on the roof. This thing has just become an absolute dream in terms of off-grid. I'm excited to show you around. The Touch 70 screen, which is kind of like the go-to hub of the system, we've got right here by the door. It's always a challenge to get the wires that we need for this Touch 70 screen, but we're really happy with this location. You can get at it from the kitchen, you can get at it from not being in the RV. I talk about this Touch 70 screen all the time in these installs. I can't stress enough how awesome this part of the Victron experience is. With the Touch 70 screen, knowing every little component and how much power it's giving or taking away from you, just knowing how much solar is coming in, exactly where your batteries are, whether you're inverting, whether you're plugged into shore power, how much, all those data points are just gonna, that alone, just the screen and that information would change the way you RV, honestly. But add that with all this power. Right here under the bed, again, 990 amp hours. Each of these Victron batteries is a 330 amp hour battery, which is a nice little small battery with a lot of juice. We left room for a fourth battery. Everything's Victron. The 250 100 MPPT charge controller, that's for our 2,000 watts of solar on the roof. The Lynx Smart BMS, the Lynx distributor, Victron battery protect, the MultiPlus 3,000 watt inverter and charger. What's great about that MultiPlus, when the generator is not running, say you're out camping off grid, no generator, unplugged, that inverter is going to take this 990 amp hours and provide you 120 volts. You're going to be able to run your air conditioner, run the microwave, run the coffee pot, all those things that we'd usually have to fire up the generator for, that'll be no more. And with 2,000 watts on the roof replacing that juice, you may never need to run that generator. The generator now is going to be more of a backup, which really is what a generator should be used for. When that generator is fired up, say your batteries are down to like 20%, you've been out, the solar, maybe you had a couple of cloudy days, you've been using your batteries, all that quiet, nice quiet power from the inverter, your batteries are low. Well, having the generator, you can fire that generator up, and because the MultiPlus is also the charger, that MultiPlus is going to throw about 100 amps at the batteries, so you can run the air conditioner and charge your batteries at full speed using the generator. And you might have, in about 4 hours, you might be able to juice these batteries back up to full. So it's a really fast charger. It's about 4 times faster than the factory charger. Having that generator is a nice redundancy in the system. I'll show you up on the roof. I'll show you the 2,000 watts up there. Up here on the roof, we've got 2,000 watts. That would be 8 of the 250 rich solar panels. We wanted to make sure that we put plenty of walking space around the ladder. We didn't have to remove the wind guard, which is nice. Plenty of area to service the AC. A little bit of a walking path up to the front. But for the most part, the goal was just to get as many panels up here as we could without sacrificing the ability to get up on the top of this toy hauler. 2,000 watts was performing well yesterday. We were seeing about 75% of that most of the day. We're getting about 1,500 watts. And yeah, really good, nice solar array for this big battery bank on this toy hauler. Well, thanks for watching. Again, this is an Outdoors RV 27 TRX toy hauler. We put 2,000 watts on here, 990 amp hours of battery, all the Victron goodies. Hope you enjoy this video on this 27 TRX. This is MYT Solar. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.